How is it going, traders? My name is Bestman, the pre-Kelsey and Macri. If you're joining for the first time, you're welcome to Traders Advocate, a channel built for struggling traders, and we're here to simplify trading, take out all the noise, and push what works. Right? I want the video to be very short, so I'm going to just do a breeze of the analysis. And see how we can identify trading opportunity for the coming week. All right, so in front of us we have the US30, and the US30 is due for a retracement to the downside. All right, so I feel at this point we should be looking for selling position to the downside. How do I know the US30 is due for a retracement to the downside? All of which will be explained in this analysis. All right, so for the weekly time frame, you can actually see we are bullish. Right, so this is a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a new higher high has formed. We've come into this new resistance level, which is around 50,000 basis points, and we are currently pointing to the downside. So what tends to happen is, for every milestone achieved, investors tends to close position as profit. See how when we came into this level, we pull back down, pushed up here, create a new higher high, we push down, back down. We've currently created a new higher high. We should also push back down again. If I draw my Fibonacci expansion level, which is one of my favorite too, from swing low to swing high, you will notice we've also come into the 100% Fibonacci expansion level, which is this level right here, which is a profit taking level for investors. Once price comes into the 100% Fibonacci expansion level, investors close positions as profits. All right, so this pullback or this retracement to the downside is not a change in market structure. It just tells you that investors are closing position as profit. Will pull back before to a nearest support level before actually continuing with the trend, with the bullish trend to the upside. Now I already took a sell somewhere around there, a lengthy period, I mean some while ago, so there's no point coming here and talking about previous trade. I just wanted the video to be very short. Okay, so let's see how we can find new entry for the coming week. Let's project how we can find new entry for the coming week. Now, based on what I just said earlier on, we are only looking for sell position to the downside. Okay, all right, so if I draw my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, we are anticipating that price at least should pull back into the 61.8 Fibonacci level. Pardon me, to mark that level out, which is this level right here, which is also in confluence. Let me take out this trend, this Fibonacci. Okay, which is also in confluence with this trend line. Okay, so if we take out this level here, if we break out from this support area, automatically this support area becomes resistance. I would love to see a breakout, a retest of here, then I will start selling all the way into this level. Once we come in here, I will be locking in significant amount of my profit in anticipation that this trend line will push price back to continue with the major trend. Alright, so mind you, I've said it earlier on that this pullback is as a result of profit taking, right? So once we pull back here, this is the time you want to lock in or close out your trade entirely, and so that once price comes in here, maybe with the bullish engulfing candle, we should expect a pullback to continue with the major trend, which is bearish. So the rules of engagement is wait for a breakout of this level, a pullback for a retest of this level, bearish engulfing candle break, go to the 4 hours time frame and find the waves, right? Find the waves, draw your counter trend line, a break of your counter trend line from the 4 hours time frame, you can start selling all the way into this level. Once we come here, you might as well want to close at your position entirely as profit, or you might as well want to lock in significant amount of profit. All right, so that's it for the US30. If you want to have a complete set of analysis from this video, the and other projection from other major coins, pair S&P 500, BTC, ADS,